Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're watching this, you're probably thinking about starting an LLC in Georgia, but unsure where to begin. You're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about forming an LLC in the Peach State. From choosing the perfect name to filing the right paperwork, I've got you covered. Stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal the best registered agent service in Georgia that helps you set up your LLC for free. So let's get started.
Starting an LLC in Georgia is straightforward and affordable. And, like other states, it has several specific LLC requirements. There are 3 main ways you can start an LLC in Georgia. 1. DIY, do-it-yourself. This method involves using the Georgia Secretary of State's website to handle all the paperwork yourself. It's the most cost-effective option if you're comfortable navigating the forms and processes. 2. Professional service. If you want to streamline the process and ensure everything is done correctly, you might consider hiring a professional service. These companies handle the paperwork for you and often include other valuable services. 3. Hiring an attorney. This is the most expensive option and usually isn't necessary for most small business owners. Attorneys can provide legal advice and handle complex issues, but might not be needed for a straightforward LLC setup. For today's video, we'll focus on the DIY approach and using a professional service. Steps required for starting a Georgia LLC on your own. Step 1. Name your business. The first step in forming your LLC is picking a name. Georgia requires that your LLC name be unique and not already in use by another business. It must include Limited Liability Company or an abbreviation like LLC at the end of the name. Additionally, the name cannot include terms like corporation or incorporated. To check if your desired name is available, visit the Georgia Secretary of State's Corporations Division website. Let me show you how. Simply enter your proposed name into the search bar and see if it's already taken. If you've settled on an available name but are not ready to complete the filing process, you can apply for a name reservation online or by mail. You may submit 3 proposed names in the order you prefer. If the Secretary of State approves one of your names, you will have 30 days to complete the filing process. If your names are all rejected, you'll be given instructions on submitting 3 additional names at no extra cost. You'll just need to perform another LLC search to ensure your new names are available. The processing time is approximately 15 business days. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. Every Georgia LLC needs a registered agent with a physical address in the state. The registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. While you can act as your own registered agent or appoint a family member or friend, I recommend using a professional registered agent service. This ensures you receive important documents promptly and keeps your address off public records. Besides, hiring a professional registered agent is not expensive. In fact, there are companies who offer a free registered agent as part of your package when you form your LLC through them. Northwest Registered Agent is a company I recommend which has this free service. Northwest offers a free registered agent on your first year of signing up for their service. During that free year, you can already take advantage of a professional and trained agent to receive legal documents on your behalf, a dashboard where you can always access the correspondence that your agent has received, as well as email notifications and automatic forwarding whenever your registered agent receives documents. Step 3. File your Georgia Articles of Organization. You have a name and a registered agent. Now comes the most important part, registering your LLC with the state with an Articles of Organization form. This official document is essentially your LLC application and sets out the important details of your business, including your LLC name or the name reservation number, name and address of the filer, an email address, Your LLC principal office mailing address. Your registered agent's name and address. The name and address of each organizer. Any provisions you choose to include. The effective date of registration, up to 90 days after filing. This document officially creates your LLC. You can file online or by mail. The filing fee is $100. The processing time is usually around 7 to 10 business days, but it can be faster if you choose expedited processing. Step 4. Prepare an operating agreement. Although Georgia doesn't require an operating agreement, it's crucial if your LLC has multiple members. This agreement outlines the management structure, profit distribution, and dispute resolution procedures. A well-crafted operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures that everyone involved knows their rights and responsibilities. Even if you're a single-member LLC, an operating agreement can clarify and professionalize your business operations. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. Now that your business is up and operating, you'll need to be able to pay taxes and engage in other business activities like opening a business bank account that require you to verify the identity of your business. For these tax purposes, it's usually a requirement that you get a federal EIN, which functions as a social security number for your business. This helps keep the debts, profits, and liabilities of a business separate from the personal accounts of its members. You can apply for an EIN for your LLC once the Georgia Secretary of State approves your articles of organization. Simply apply on the Internal Revenue Service website. There is no cost to obtain an EIN. The process is straightforward, but if you prefer, professional services like Northwest Registered Agent can handle this for you. Step 6. File initial report and pay annual fee. Georgia doesn't require an initial report, but you must file an annual registration with the Secretary of State. This updates the state on your LLC address and management details. The annual registration fee is $50 and is due on April 1st each year. Keeping up with this requirement ensures that your LLC remains in good standing and avoids any potential issues. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, a professional LLC formation service might be the way to go. Companies like Northwest Registered Agent offer comprehensive packages that include filing your forms to acting as your registered agent. Northwest Registered Agent's service starts at $39, including a free registered agent and a free operating agreement with their package. Other companies might charge significantly more, so this is a great deal. With exceptional customer service and privacy protection, Northwest Registered Agent makes the LLC formation process smooth and hassle-free. Use the link in the description to take advantage of this limited-time LLC formation discount. Forming an LLC in Georgia doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you handle it yourself or use a professional service, following these steps will help ensure a smooth setup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable business tips and guides. And remember to check the description for useful links and resources. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your LLC formation.